Hello there, it's Gordy here, your trusty travel guide. Today we're embarking on a virtual journey that's guaranteed to fill your hearts with festive cheer. We'll be exploring the top 5 Christmas markets to visit in 2023. Picture this: twinkling lights, the aroma of mulled wine and cinnamon wafting through the air, handcrafted ornaments, and the joyous hum of festive tunes. These markets are more than just shopping destinations, they're a celebration of the holiday spirit and cultural traditions, so buckle up. Stay tuned to find out which Christmas market has earned the top spot on our list. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have České Budějovice and Český Krumlov in the Czech Republic. Nestled in the heart of Europe, these two towns transform into a winter wonderland each December, offering some of the most enchanting Christmas markets on the continent. České Budějovice, renowned for its stunning architecture and rich history, offers a Christmas market that is a feast for the senses. Imagine the scent of mulled wine wafting through the air, warming your hands on a steaming cup as you stroll through the market, the cobblestone streets echoing with laughter and the chime of Christmas carols. Now let's take a sleigh ride over to Český Krumlov. This UNESCO World Heritage Site becomes even more magical during the Christmas season. Its market is a treasure trove of traditional toys, handcrafted ornaments, and unique gifts, each stall a testament to the skill and creativity of local artisans. And of course, we can't forget about the ice skating rinks. Both České Budějovice and Český Krumlov have rinks that are a hit with both locals and visitors alike. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a wobbly beginner, don't miss the chance to glide under the twinkling Christmas lights, the crisp winter air on your cheeks. From the delicious food stalls serving up traditional Czech treats to the festive atmosphere that wraps around you like a warm blanket, České Budějovice and Český Krumlov truly embody the spirit of Christmas. If you're a fan of ice skating and traditional toys, these markets are a must-visit. At number 4, we have the Christmas market in Gothenburg, Sweden. This isn't your average Christmas market. Gothenburg offers a unique blend of traditional Swedish charm and a modern cosmopolitan vibe. A place where the spirit of Christmas comes alive, this market's decorations are nothing short of spectacular. Imagine walking through a winter wonderland with twinkling lights overhead and the scent of mulled wine in the air. It's a sensory delight that's sure to get you in the holiday spirit. But it's not just about the decorations. Gothenburg's Christmas market is a cultural extravaganza, offering a taste of Sweden's rich heritage. From traditional Swedish crafts to local delicacies, this market is a treasure trove of unique finds. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or just a curious traveler, there's something for everyone here. Possibly the most captivating of all are the live performances. These are not your typical Christmas carols. In Gothenburg, you'll be treated to Swedish folk music, traditional dances, and even live theater. It's an immersive experience that allows you to delve deep into the heart of Swedish culture. So if you're looking for a Christmas market that offers more than just shopping, Gothenburg is the place to be. With its stunning decorations, cultural offerings, and lively performances, it's a festive experience that you won't forget. For a truly festive experience, make sure to visit Gothenburg. Coming in at number 3 is the Christmas market in Budapest, Hungary. This bustling city, nestled on the banks of the Danube River, transforms into a winter wonderland that would make even Santa himself feel at home. The Christmas market in Budapest is a feast for the senses. The air is filled with the scent of traditional Hungarian foods wafting from the numerous food stalls. Imagine biting into a piping hot chimney cake, its sugar-coated exterior giving way to soft, warm dough. Or savoring a hearty bowl of goulash, a staple Hungarian dish that's sure to warm you up on a chilly winter's day. But the culinary delights don't stop there. Picture yourself sipping on a glass of foralt bor, Hungary's take on mulled wine, as you stroll through the market. The warming blend of red wine, spices, and citrus fruits is the perfect accompaniment to a night spent under the twinkling Christmas lights. Speaking of lights, the Christmas decorations in Budapest are truly a sight to behold. The city becomes a glittering spectacle with thousands of lights illuminating the streets and squares. The centerpiece is the enormous Christmas tree in Vörösmarty Square, decked out in baubles, tinsel, and twinkling lights. It's enough to make anyone's Christmas spirit soar. And let's not forget the stalls selling a myriad of traditional Hungarian crafts and trinkets, perfect for picking up a unique Christmas gift or two. From intricate lacework to hand-painted pottery, there's something for everyone. For foodies and fans of Christmas decorations, Budapest is the place to be. So why not make Budapest your next Christmas destination and experience the magic for yourself? And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Our top pick for the best Christmas market to visit in 2023 is Cologne, Germany. Immerse yourself in the festive spirit as you step into Cologne, a city that transforms into a winter wonderland during the Christmas season. It's not just a market, it's a celebration of culture, tradition, and the joy of Christmas. As you wander through the market, you'll be greeted by the sight of beautifully adorned stalls, each offering something unique and enchanting. From traditional toys that hark back to simpler times to intricate Christmas decorations that sparkle under the festive lights, Cologne's Christmas market is a treasure trove of festive delights. And let's not forget about the food stalls. Cologne's Christmas market stands out with its gastronomic delights that are sure to warm your heart and stomach in the chilly winter weather. Savor the flavors of traditional German sausages, pretzels, and the much-loved Glühwein, a hot mulled wine that is a Christmas market staple. Each bite and sip is a taste of German Christmas tradition. But the market is more than just sights and tastes, it's also about sounds. The air is filled with the harmonious melodies of live performances. Choirs singing Christmas carols, musicians playing traditional instruments, and even the occasional street performer add to the festive atmosphere. The music is the heartbeat of the market, setting the rhythm for your Christmas adventure in Cologne. The market is a sensory delight, an experience that beautifully captures the essence of Christmas. It's a place where the spirit of the season comes alive, where every sight, sound, and taste is a celebration of Christmas. So if you're looking to capture the magic of Christmas in 2023, Cologne's Christmas market is the place to be. With its stunning decorations, delicious food, live performances, and the unmistakable joy of the season, Cologne offers an unmatched Christmas market experience. For the ultimate Christmas market experience, nothing beats Cologne. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 5 Christmas markets to visit in 2023. From the traditional toys and delectable food stalls in Český Budějovice and Český Krumlov to the vibrant festivities of Cologne, each market promises a unique and unforgettable experience. Picture yourself ice skating under the starry skies of Gothenburg or wandering through the festive streets of Budapest and Berlin. And if you get the chance, don't hesitate to explore these magical destinations. Have you visited any of these markets, or do you have a personal favorite that didn't make our list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Thanks for watching and safe travels.